Hello, my name is Samuel Gutierrez.
And my name is Rodrigo Borja.
And my name is Julian.
Today we're going to make a pasteli. That's like a power bar of the ancient Greeks. We need honey, so much honey.
We need sesame seeds. Much sesame seeds.
We need lemon. We're going to need 1 cup and a third of honey, and that is 4 seeds pieces. That's so. That's a aberrant quantity of honey, because that's like almost one entire bottle.
We need 3 full cups of sesame seeds. Here is already 1 cup. This is a half cup. The second cup.
And the third one.
The third one, yes.
Next, we need to boil the honey.
And the lemon piece.
And that's only the start of this. Now the lemon peels. And now Samuelito put the lemon peels. Remove. Now we remove. Now we put the sesame seeds.
The 3 sesame
And we
seeds.
stir. And then we need to mix it. Now we are getting the mass. It needs to get like a mass, and then in the recipient, and in a moment it gets compact.
We need to put paraprint on the bowl and cut it.
Now I'm removing the lemon. Here is the lemon, and then we need to put it here.
Yeah. We need to put the mass on the bowl with paper print, with paraprint.
Take the paraprint paper, Sammy. Well, this isn't what we expect to, because what we expect it was to be some compact thing, but it's delicious. So so no problem. There's no problem, and this is like soft because that we expected to do, but no problem. The same is so good. This is our pasteli recipe. Hope you liked, and God bless you all.
¡San Miguelito!